What is going on, guys? So today I have not made one of these videos in a long time, and that is a Sunday 60-second push-up challenge. But also in this video I want to mention and talk about the title of this video, which is the Army is changing the way it's doing push-ups. Alright, so before I get into the 60-second push-up challenge, which is when I do as many push-ups as I can in 60 seconds, I want to talk about the title of this video, right? So, the Army is changing the way it's doing push-ups. If you guys didn't know, we got the new ACFT PT test coming up, and in that, we have the release push-up, which is a completely different way of just normally knocking out push-ups. But the key thing that I want to talk about in this video, and what I'm going to be doing in this video for my 60-second push-ups, is it's not the same form, right? Not only when you're doing the release push-up for the ACFT, where you have to actually lift your hands off the ground after you go down, you also have to have your hands closer to your body, right? Your hands are supposed to be under your shoulders, whereas previously your hands could be in or out as far as you want. It does not matter. I don't know how specifically strict they're gonna be on this as far as grading goes, because like other things, you're gonna have a grader, and then maybe you're gonna have like a buddy or a friend or something, and they're gonna let you move your hands out a little bit farther. And the reason that that's important is because, you know, hands super close together, you're gonna be using more of your triceps. If your hands go out a little bit more, you're gonna use a little bit more of your chest and your triceps working together, and you can do more push-ups. So for me, I have always done push-ups to where my hands are just a little bit outside of my shoulder width. So I'm trying to use the best of both worlds with using the most amount of triceps I can use while simultaneously using the most amount of my chest that I can use. But with the new push-up, I'm gonna have to have them closer together, which for me, especially since I'm not used to that, I'm not gonna be able to do as many push-ups, at least as of right now, because I'm just about to start, literally pretty much in this video, doing more close grip push-ups. So one of the main ways that I'm gonna be training for this new ACFT, particularly for the release push-up event, is not only just doing release push-ups where I do push-ups, take your hand off the ground. I'm gonna do some of those in some 60-second push-up challenges coming up in the coming weeks, but I'm also going to focus on doing more push-ups with a closer grip where my hands are under my shoulders, because I didn't really do them that much anymore. I would always focus on what is going to allow me to max the PT test and do the most amount of push-ups as I can for the PT test. And now, since you have to have your hands under your shoulders, right? Your hands are supposed to be under your shoulders. They can't be like this anymore. Then I gotta get used to that, right? So I have to get my body used to that, which means that right now I'm not gonna be doing nearly as many push-ups as I could before, but I just gotta start. So getting into the 60-second push-up challenge, if you guys did not know, and if this is the first time you've ever seen one of these videos that I have done, it's been a while, but this is where I urge you, literally you, right now, to actually do 60 seconds of push-ups. Do as many push-ups as you can, and in those 60 seconds, just push it, right? Push it as hard as you can in those 60 seconds, and then leave a comment down below of how many push-ups you did in those 60 seconds, and this is a great way to track your progress over time, rather than doing 2 minutes of push-ups and just totally fatiguing yourself and you're just gonna be sore the next day. If you do 60 seconds of push-ups, you can do this on a far more regular basis, even every single day, which is what I generally try to do whenever I'm trying to improve my push-ups and really track it. I just do 60-second push-ups at some point in time every single day and track it. But you know, for YouTube, I'm not gonna upload a push-up video literally every single day. So on Sundays, I'm going to try to get this trend back going again, where I do 6 seconds of my own push-ups. So without further ado, I'm a little bit scared right now because I have yet to do a close grip 60 seconds of push-ups non-stop, and I have no clue what I'm gonna get. I used to get like around about 70 or so normal, and I think I'd be lucky to get in the upper 40s, low 50s if I'm lucky. So we'll see. Just to give you guys an example, I used to probably do push-ups, it was right about here. So this was the width for my hands, and then now I'm gonna have to do them about like this, which is gonna be a lot more difficult for me because I'm not used to it, but we're gonna do it. And remember, with the new push-up form, you start in the laying down position. You don't actually start in the front leaning rest position. just a little post push-up, reflecting on that. I tried to do the best form I could, so I was trying to go down as low as I could, basically almost touching my chest to the ground and trying to extend as much as I can. And I want to mention that when you do closer grip push-ups, people have the tendency to not extend their arms out as much. So I'm going to be looking at that and make sure I did pretty good. But whenever you do that, if you've already done it or if you're about to do it, make sure that you're focusing on extending your arms and doing the proper form. I don't want to hear people telling me that you did 100 push-ups in 60 seconds. Because even if you did, I'm telling you, check out your form, record yourself, leave a comment down below. So I'm actually gonna close out this video now, but before I do, if you guys want one of these gold army t-shirts, link is in the description. There will also be a card at the end of the video. But these are the most popular ones and people really enjoy them. So if you want one and you haven't got one yet, feel free to do that. Make sure you guys do your push-ups. I'm telling you, make sure you do your push-ups. Don't wait, just do it right now. It's literally 60 seconds and you're gonna feel better about yourself after you're done. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you're doing these new kinds of push-ups if you wanna improve for the ACFT coming up in October. Hit the like button if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button, and even better yet, the notification bell button. That would really make my day. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, which is like right here. If you haven't already, hope you guys have an amazing freaking day, and I will see you later.